Hi, welcome to Booze Motors. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new project car and see if we can get it started up. Right, so here it is. Let's get the cover off. So yeah, I really do think I do have my work cut out for me here. The state of this. Yeah, apparently it ran 18 months ago, but yeah, I'm not so sure. Let's see if we can get it started up. Right, so we traced the fuel round, got it running from the boot round to here. Joe slowly just releasing each Jubilee clip so it bleeds through and comes round. We've now got fuel to the float chambers at the bottom of the carb, so now it's time to give it a turn of the key and see if it fires up. Go on. Whoa. Right, go on, give it a go. And again. Go on. Hey? I don't know. Right, just put some easy start in the carbs. Time to give it another kick over. Go. Stop. I think we better check for spark now. Right, I've just taken the plug out. It's going to see if we've got spark. Go on. Right, so that was sort of weird. When I pulled the plug out, it just decided to fire up. I guess we give it a go with the plug actually in this time. Whenever you're ready. Go on. Find out, fuel gun. Go on, back. Some lock on. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh. Quality motor, mate. So that is the Stag running, and at the side of the driveway, out the way. I mean, it runs as good as we need it for now, so we can move it up and down the driveway. In the video, you may have noticed quite a lot of white smoke coming out the back of it. Now, you can probably see from my breath, it's now winter, so it's quite cold, so that could be a lot of condensation. At worst, it could be the head gasket, which I probably will be doing like a coolant check on it just to see if the head gasket's gone, or it could just be condensation that's built up in the exhaust that's just being flushed out. In the video, you may also notice a slight ticking. Now that was probably the timing chain. Now on the Stag, that's a serviceable item that's supposed to run every 30,000 miles. Now we don't actually have any service history with the Stag out there, so that's probably going to be done anyway, so I'm not too worried about that, to be honest. With the slight rough running there, that's probably just a carb issue, you know, which again, they'll be rebuilt, cleaned up, stripped down, new jets, new needles before it's back on the road anyway. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this.